Welcome back to our series on building a dashboard for coronavirus using Microsoft Power BI. In our last video, we imported the Johns Hopkins dataset into Power BI. In case you missed out, you can always go back and watch our videos. Now that we're done with renaming the columns, we'll begin transforming the data into their correct formats. Firstly, as you can see, Power BI may not instinctively detect the correct data type, so we must manually change the data types. We'll begin with the last update column. And the latitudes and the longitudes are also incorrectly marked as alphanumeric. Similarly, in confirmed cases, recovered and deaths should be whole numbers. Now, we will find and replace all the zeros with nulls, as you don't want to display them in our visuals. Finally, we will press close and apply, and we can begin visualizing our data. If you like our videos, do subscribe and click the bell icon.